everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel I do unboxings of all sorts, so if you like unboxing videos, definitely hit on that subscribe button. I would love to have you join me. Now for today's video, it's going to be short and sweet. This is my Walmart beauty box for the spring of 2021, and I have been watching other people already open theirs because they get their boxes. For some reason, I always seem like I'm the last person in the world to get their box. But anyway, I have no discipline, so I kind of peek and watch theirs. But I went ahead and cut it open, so I kind of know what I got already. And when you open it, this is the way it looks. They're starting to add brochures to it, so I really appreciate that about it. But Walmart Beauty Box, I will leave all the information in the description box down below, along with the link if you would like to sign up for it. But it's pretty easy. It's $6.98. You receive it every season. And you just fill out a little beauty profile, and depending on how you fill out your answers, that's what they send you. Now, here is the brochure with the spring 2021, and if you want to pause this and look at this, this is all the items that you could have received in the box this month, depending on how you filled out your beauty profile. Now, I've already peeked and looked, and I'm kind of disappointed because I wanted some more skincare stuff, but I'm not mad. I'm happy with what I got. I don't want to be negative about it. But the first item out, which I'll definitely use, is some scrunchies. And these are the Wild Primrose by Scrunchi Hair Accessories, $4.97 to $7.97. And that's worth the price of the box right there. And then I got some Humphreys Witch Hazel, which has a smooth rose scent in it. And the full size value of this is $10.98. And that would be for an 8-ounce size. And this is only 3.3 ounces. And then the next one, I went and looked at this already, and I've never used this before, and I would love to hear any comments and any suggestions that you guys have on this. And what this is this is tanning drops. And what it says on the back right here, I was reading, and I was like, this is for your face and your body. And I'm like, how is that going to work, this little tiny package? What's that going to tan one leg? But what this is drops, and you add it, it says, it's designed to be mixed with your skincare, makeup, or body care. So I guess you add this to some kind of cream or something. And depending on how much you use, the darker you get. So if anybody has any advice about this, if it would leave me orange, I don't want to be orange, or just to go gentle. If nobody helps me out, I'm probably just going to play with my upper thigh and see what happens. And then that way I can cover up if it turns into a disaster. Now the next item out is and these are the Dashing Diva nail strips, which are always fun. And they are in a cute little green color, which is great for springtime. It would have been great for St. Patty's Day too. But the color of this is called Desert Quartz. And those are really cute. So you will probably be seeing me wear these in an upcoming video. And usually you always do get some toothpaste, and this is the Hello Activated Charcoal, and I could have sworn that they have sent me this before. And the value on this is $3.99 for a 4-ounce size, and this is only a 1-ounce size, but I do like this brand of toothpaste. And to go along with the Activated Charcoal toothpaste, they sent me the Activated Charcoal toothbrush. And the retail value of this is $3.99. So everything I received in my box this month is the Activated Charcoal toothbrush, toothpaste. Let me see if I can hold this a little bit better. The toner, the Dashing Diva nail strips, the Tanologist, which I will take anybody's opinion on that, any tips or tricks on that, and hair scrunchies. So all very usable stuff. I'm happy with it. I'm kind of disappointed though, because I do like skincare, and I answered the questionnaire very heavy for skincare. And I also could have got the Olay moisturizer. I could have got a primer, and I also could have got a Bliss Drench and Quench hydrating cream. So I'm not mad about this, but I would have liked some more skincare lotions and creams, because I told them I have very dry skin. But this is my Walmart beauty box for the month, not for the month, for the spring of 2021. Not bad. I will enjoy all the products I got. It is definitely not a waste of money. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.